the Bangor Mall, which is right here. Oh, it's over at this complex over here. So you gotta stay on the right. Yeah, I know what she's talking about. I know exactly what she's talking about. And she said something about Buffalo Wild Wings, which should be up here. I can see the sign for it.
She said something about
Chipotle? No, she said something about Buffalo Wild Wings. What the fuck is going on here? What the fuck is going on here?
To a runway! Woohoo!
That could have caused a good accident. I knew it looked familiar because I